stepping outside in the cool autumn morning, just taking a moment before starting my day to look at the beautiful green surrounding me. I'm grateful for these amazing evergreens, and I'm grateful for all the alder trees and wild cherry trees and rose bushes and beautiful plants and succulents, the vegetables that stay around. My puppies are awakening, walking around, checking things out outside, having stories to tell apparently. And I'm just standing here in awe of nature. Listening to my dog bark. It's all right. It reminds me of my last recording when I was trying to do what the dogs had things to say. Mainly probably that I am here. I am watching my human person and making sure I'm alerting her to any danger, even if it's just a butterfly. I'm just grateful to be out here in this moment and be a gentle reminder of how much I love nature, how much I love being outdoors, and how important is it to step outside, even if it's just for a few minutes before the start of the day, and breathe in that fresh air, look at nature, connect with the plants, with the air. It rained, so everything's wet outside, but that is all right. I mean, we do need the rain, we do need the water. I'm still getting around in a scooter thing as I cannot put weight on one of my legs since my surgery. But still make the effort to come outside and spend some time with nature. Just look at the colors, just feel the breath of the trees. Look up and see the birds, admire the clouds. And it's interesting that in one section I'm looking at, there's clouds, in another section I see a touch of pink. The hope for maybe some sunshine today. You can see across the water and see a gentle shade of the mountains. And the trees are just so happy, keep growing up toward the sun. They enjoy the water they got this morning. And they have no agenda besides just to grow and observe and be here. We can learn a lot from the trees and the animals around us. I think we forgot how to be just in the moment. Listen to the birds. Listen to the plants and enjoy nature and enjoy ourselves in it with no hurry, no rush, just fully immerse in the breath, in the moment. Not focus on anything, just the beauty right in front of us. Thank you for being here with me this morning and enjoying nature, the birds, the dogs, the plants, and the raindrops. Until I see you next time, may your day be joyful, beautiful, and I hope you get out to nature and enjoy some of these wonderful things as I did this morning. May your day be lovely and amazing.